Hi, welcome to my channel. For this video let's sketch a portrait face, in side view. First we draw a circle for the pattern. And next we draw again a circle inside. And we draw a line for the circle for the pattern, for the eyes, nose and mouth. And now let's draw underline for the pattern of eyebrow, eyes, nose, and mouth. And now let's begin. Sorry guys if I have to make a video speed because of many process I do. Hope you learn how to sketch in step-by-step process. If you need more video sketch, just leave a comment. So guys, can I do a favor? Can you subscribe my channel to more update video? And don't forget to like, share and please leave a comment. Enjoy, learn and watch my video. Thank you.